Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to edit project settings on CapCut in Windows 11 PC. Proper project settings ensure your edits look professional and export correctly. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open your project in CapCut. Make sure you don't have any clips selected. Click on an empty area of the timeline before proceeding to access the project settings. Step 2. Locate and click the Modify button in the top toolbar. This opens the Project Settings panel, where you can adjust all your basic project configurations. Step 3. In the General tab, you can rename your project draft and change its save location. I recommend giving your projects clear, descriptive names to stay organized. Step 4. Adjust the resolution settings to match your intended output. CapCut automatically adapts to your source footage, but you can manually set it to 1080p, 4K, or other resolutions as needed. Step 5. Explore the advanced options like color space selection and proxy mode. Enabling proxy mode speeds up editing while maintaining final output quality. Perfect for complex projects. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more editing tips. See you next time.